Hey there, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and I'm back with another quick tutorial video on creating journal pages. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to set up a simple journal page using PowerPoint. Today, I want to demonstrate to you how you can create a prompt journal. So I am I have my basic page here where I've created the lines for an individual to write. And then this box I'm going to use to house my prompts, my journaling prompts for someone. So for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a PowerPoint add-in called the Mega Pack, which is by Luke Bowles. I'll be sure to add a link, my affiliate link on how you can purchase that particular plugin if you're interested. So for this, I'm going to go to insert data into selected shape. So because this is the shape that I want my prompt to be entered in. So I'm going to click here, and then it's going to have this pop-up window that says, okay, that I'm creating a customized guided journal, and it's asking me what font choices do I want, what size do I want my text to be. I'm going to bump this up, and then you also have the option of bolding it, italicizing, underlining, or how you want it to be aligned, and you can also choose your colors. You can change this on the once you've done your journal as well. For now, I'm just going to leave my settings at this. Yeah, I'm going to leave it at 16, and I'm going to click OK. Then it's going to tell me to make sure that I choose the correct prompt Excel file. When you get the get this add-in, it comes with an Excel file for you, and the Excel file is where you're going to list out your prompts that you want included in your journal. So I'm going to say okay. And then I'm going to go and find my journal prompts. And for this one, I'm going to use this one that's labeled prompts. I'm going to click OK. And then just like that, the add-in is going to go and start adding in my prompts into that. It's going to create a page for each one of the prompts that I have listed in my spreadsheet. So depending on how many prompts you have included in your spreadsheet, it may take a few minutes, but it doesn't take long at all. And I'm going to give it a few minutes to run, and it will be through in just a little bit. Now, the Mega Pack plugin tool has lots of different features included with it. This ability to do the guided journal is just one of them that I'm demonstrating to you today. So now it's telling me that it has completed the process. So now if I look at my file, originally I started with one page, but now I have 30 because I had 30 different prompts that I had entered into my Excel file. And on each one of these, there's a different prompt. Now, when you use this, the Mega Pack plugin, you can select any shape on your document that you want your prompts to be entered in. And like I say, this text is editable. So if you decide that 16 font wasn't large enough, you can go in and change that to meet, whatever it is that you like. Okay, so you might be wondering, okay, well, you got the prompts, but you may be wondering how it is that you can actually find or create prompts. Of course, you can create the prompts yourself, but you can also use apps like excuse me, like ChatGPT, to help you come up with different prompts based off of a particular topic that you're interested in working on. Anyway, today I wanted to give you a quick overview of how you can create a guided journal pages just with using this particular add-in. Now, of course, if you don't have this add-in in your PowerPoint and you're not interested in purchasing it, you also can do this by hand. It will take a little bit more time, but if you were doing this by hand, all you would need to do is create a list of your prompts that you want to use, and you will have a blank page and just go and copy and paste your prompts into each, create a new page, copy your prompts from your Excel sheet and then paste it in here, and just do that for each one of your pages. So that's two different options that you have if you're wanting to create a guided journal using PowerPoint. And if you have questions on how to set up the page initially, be sure to go back and watch my previous video. I'll have a link to that as well, so you can look and see how I originally set up the page in PowerPoint. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if there's anything in particular that you would like to see created in PowerPoint as far as printable creation, leave a comment and let me know, and I'll work on creating that for you. Thanks and have a great day.